Hello people, how are you doing? I don't know what happened to me and what's running on my mind, but I want to cut my bangs. 10 days back, side swift bangs, but I'm not satisfied with this. I want a very short bangs like a little girl. I had that bangs when I was 4th class. That was the last time I had that bangs, and I want that back now.
I was thinking so much whether it will suit me or not. I was so little at the time. All my face and my chin cheeks have changed a lot. Will there suits to my face cut right now? I thought like that so much, but I don't know. I wanted to do this for a long time, and instead of going to parlors or somewhere, I thought why not to do myself and
Parlors open, and I thought this is my real quarantine challenge. If it look good, that's okay. If not, we can't do anything. We have to wait for 2 to 3 months. So let's start. I'm feeling very nervous and very excited also. Let's see how that turns. This is my hair right now. I know I'm doing a lot of experiments, but that's so exciting and that's so interesting also. I'm combing everything and it's not wet hair, it's dry hair, and please do not try it in your homes. That sides with bangs I had experience, so I did, and I told you how to do that. But these bangs I'm doing it for the first time. Please don't try. If it turns out really pretty and really good, then you can try. But actually, for the people who have, a bigger forehead, that bangs will look good. But I have a shorter. Let's see how it turns. But I am so excited. See. So I'm making it very straight, dividing two sides of my scalp. And make a triangle in the front section like this. I'm taking very little hair. I have just YouTube like how to cut bangs. I like a tutorial where she did the exact thing. I think this side I have taken more, so I am going to shorten it. Yes. I think now it's a perfect triangle. Oh my god, I'm so scared. If my bangs come, it will look like this. So let's try. I'm cutting, man, I'm cutting. Take this anyway. Still, I have to cut. Not bad. Think more. My god. I'm so happy with the present result, but I think it's a little longer and it will irritate my eyes, so I decided to cut a little tiny bit. my god. Now I'm taking another little section of my hair. I have already had this side band. I'm just going down like